We will introduce you a simulation tool for cloud service reliability enhancement mechanisms, fault tolerance FTCloudSim. We will introduce fault tolerance FTCloudSim in three respects. First, why we construct fault tolerance FTCloudSim. Second, what fault tolerance FTCloudSim can do. And last, how to use fault tolerance FTCloudSim. Now, we will tell why we construct fault tolerance FTCloudSim. Recently, because of its ability to allocate resources dynamically and instantaneously as needed, cloud computing has become a popular computing model nowadays. An increasing number of companies have deployed their application services in the cloud. Unfortunately, cloud data center downtime have badly affected the public's expectation of cloud computing. Many downtime incidents happen every year. The cloud is a very complex system. Therefore, there are many causes of failure that can lead to data center downtime, such as hardware failure, virtualization fault. With tens of thousands of host servers in a cloud data center, and it is difficult to ensure that all host servers always work well. Due to scale, a statistically rare failure event may be a common occurrence in a cloud, but customers expect services to be available whenever they need them, just like electricity. So, what do we need to do? This capability requires us to focus on planning for probable failures and having mechanisms to rapidly recover from such failures. Is your approach a good solution? How to evaluate the new proposed cloud service reliability enhancement approach? Maybe we need to do some experiments. But the biggest problem is how to do the experiment. There are two main ways to evaluate the reliability enhancement mechanism. Not everyone is lucky enough to have such an excellent condition, so as to do experiment in real data center. Therefore, do the experiment by using a simulation tool is the most convenient way. We propose fault tolerance FTCloudSim. FTCloudSim is a famous cloud simulation toolkit. FTCloudSim supports the simulation of a virtualized cloud data center. It enables researchers to experiment on cloud computing infrastructure, but it supports little for evaluating cloud service reliability mechanisms. FTCloudSim is an extensible simulation tool. Researchers can extend the existing functionalities provided by FTCloudSim and add new features to FTCloudSim, including Cloud Analyst, Cloud Auction, among others. But none of the available current tools can properly simulate cloud service reliability enhancement mechanisms. In this work, we extend FTCloudSim and present fault tolerance FTCloudSim, a FTCloudSim-based tool which can model and simulate the cloud service reliability enhancement mechanisms. Next, we will introduce the new features of fault tolerance FTCloudSim. As shown in the figure, fault tolerance FTCloudSim has added 6 modules to FTCloudSim. Failure and repair event triggering module. Host failure events and repair events are triggered. The failure events can be generated according to some special distribution, Weibull distribution, or exponential distribution, etc. You can indicate when the host server will be repaired. Repetition support. The failure event data and the repair event data can be saved to a file, so the experiment can be repeated. Checkpoint image generation and storage. A checkpoint image is generated, transferred, and stored periodically based on the checkpoint mechanism. This module is extensible. The user can design its own checkpoint schedule policy by extending the default policy, including when to generate an image, the content of the image, and where to store the image. Checkpoint-based cloudlet recovery. A task is resumed from the host failure based on the latest available checkpoint image. If there is no accessible checkpoint image, it will fetch the necessary data from the central database and restart the interrupted task from the beginning. Factory data center network construction. We provide the functionality to construct a factory data center network automatically. The user only needs to set the port number in the configuration file. This module stores the results in the database. Fault-tolerance CloudSim will provide three types of metrics to highlight the advantages and shortcomings of each mechanism. Firstly, the ability to enhance the reliability of cloud service. Secondly, network resource usage. Thirdly, storage resource usage. Last, we will show how to use fault tolerance CloudSim. First, you need to extend the reliability enhancement policy module and add your own policy. Then, you need to input the workload information as the task allocation policy and resource allocation policy. Next, you need to configure the tool, including configure the path of result file, the information of data center, the distribution of host fail event, and host repair event. Last, you can run the simulation tool and check the experimental results. That's all, thank you. And for more information, you can contact us or check the website online.